With the introduction of 8th Gen ES, Lexus has flipped the script for this sedan. We all knew ES as a hybrid luxury saloon, but this time around it is coming as an electric vehicle first. And this is the very first EV from Lexus for the Indian market, and it is priced at Rs 89.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom. In terms of design, it takes inspiration from the LFZC concept, and therefore it is more futuristic, sharper, and in fact smarter. Now, my favorite bit on the exterior are the way Lexus has done the headlamps. With the black applique, it manages to mimic the spindle grille. Also, this roof tapers down very neatly to the boot lid, and the door handles, they seem really fancy. And in fact, it is longer, wider and taller than the 7th Generation ES. And these 21-inch alloy wheels are also done in an aero-infused pattern. What do you think about them? Let us know in the comments below. Well, styling-wise, it looks the most modern Lexus of all. But since it's EV, let's talk specs. This is where the charging port is, and you find a 74.7 kWh lithium-ion battery pack which will deliver a range of 580 kilometers. Well, that's what Lexus claims. A 0 to 100 kmph sprint would take 5.7 seconds with a peak power output of close to 334 horsepower. Inside, the theme is minimalistic but very premium, I have to say. In fact, this whole dashboard layout is new. You now get a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment unit. On the door panel, you'll also see bamboo theme, but these are 3D printed panel and not actual bamboo. Talking of seats, they are supportive, the center console, it is clean, and the steering wheel is also new. There is a 17-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, and also the wheelbase is increased by 2 inches, and therefore you get more legroom, which ES has always been appreciated for. But the international model do get powered rear seat and an ottoman for your thigh support, which the Indian variant misses out. As for now, the India gets the ES and in an all-wheel drive layout. Globally, there are models with just single motor setup, and the hybrid will also make its way to the Indian market, but at a later stage. As for now, I'm your NDTV Automate Mohit Bhardwaj signing off, but do let us know what do you guys think of the new Lexus ES.